Months, years talking about electric boat, electric car, but I wanted to satisfy my curiosity. Let's go try a full electric boat, 100% battery powered, but let's discover it together. Follow us. Let's begin as usual with technical information about the boat. We're on a Nimbus Group boat powered by a 30 kilowatt fully electric motor, so 30 kilowatts. This implies that a boating license is not necessary, as no license is required. The boat measures 6 meters and 20 centimeters in length and has a width of 2 meters and 30 centimeters. It can accommodate up to 6 people, so even if it's a very large family, you won't have any problems. I must also say thank you to those who and how I am on this boat. The iSense group that organizes this boat, and especially its use, the usability of this boat, deserve my gratitude. Thanks to them, in fact, this boat is also rentable in Italy. Not only here, but throughout Italy. But I will tell you all the details later, or you will find them in the drop-down menu of this video. Let's start with some technical description of the console, the control panel, where obviously being an innovative engine, an innovative boat, a system, that of essence, innovative, quite innovative, we can monitor our entire electrical system from this screen, where it will show me both the instantaneous consumption and how much battery, how much energy I still have available to calculate if I can stay out for 2, 3, 6 hours, 10 hours, depending on how much I go. To help me understand and grasp the concept of electric, think of our gasoline tank this time as an electric battery. The more liters I have inside, the less I accelerate and the more autonomy I will have. So, if I want to go full throttle from start to finish, the battery will definitely last less. But this happens with all things that have a battery or even a tank. The boat is equipped with several accessories to enhance your day out at sea or on the lake, as in this case. Of course, music, lights for night navigation, the electric horn, the bilge pump, everything that may be needed in addition to the cartography, so the tool that shows me which direction I'm heading and where I want to go and where I am, obviously cannot be missing. Central steering wheel, side console, then the remote control, the engine control on the right side of the console, everything that can be absolutely convenient, practical, and absolutely intuitive. It is absolutely incredible to be able to sunbathe comfortably while lying down, enjoying the spaciousness and not hearing the engine noise. At this moment, the engine is on, or rather, it is an electric motor, so whether it's on or off, it remains completely silent. This is truly amazing. Moreover, I can relax on this exceptionally large sunbed with 3 people by my side, just like a pasha. Let me provide you with more details about the 30 kilowatt engine that propels this boat. We will examine its performance shortly, but I can assure you that it is more than sufficient for a day of peaceful tranquility, free from any noise, and in harmony with the environment. It is truly the perfect solution for experiencing a unique day at sea. Let's also take a closer look at the bow sunbed or the bow seating. Oh, I'll tell you right away, if you want some commercial details on how to try the boat, wait until the end of the video and I'll tell you everything in a few seconds. But let's move on to take a closer look at this beautiful boat. I wanted to sit and keep the sofa instead of the bow sunbed because, let's be clear, boats with a bow sunbed are a classic, but a horseshoe-shaped L sofa, actually sorry, not even an L. L has nothing to do with it, sorry. But a horseshoe shape like this, there are very few. It's a real lounge. The central part lowers, but even in this position here, so with the high part and the table, so the transformation into a table, we have 2 seats that if there are only 4 of you on board, for example, 2 at the stern and 2 at the bow, can comfortably accommodate you even in a seating format. To increase space and have a large sunbathing area, lower the central table, transforming it into a sunbathing area, an option provided by this boat. However, As is typically the case, you are aware that I may become fatigued from our conversation, and my curiosity is immense to witness the performance of this fully electric boat. Therefore, the system remains unchanged, with safety being of equal importance. The mass disconnect feature is always present on my wrist, as it has the potential to save my life even in this scenario. At this juncture, all I need to do is activate the control panel, and the engine either starts miraculously or is already prepared for sailing. I engage the gear in the same manner as I would with a traditional engine, press the accelerator, and off we go, ready to have a fantastic time. Please accompany us on this exciting journey. Additionally, let us examine the boat's performance to optimize fuel consumption and enhance efficiency. We will also take the opportunity to monitor the boat's speed, acceleration, and maneuverability, ensuring that it meets our expectations. By analyzing these factors, we can make any necessary adjustments to maximize the boat's overall performance. Join us as we embark on this thrilling adventure and experience the capabilities of this remarkable electric boat firsthand. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into our exhilarating voyage. Follow us as we navigate the waters and explore the possibilities of this cutting-edge technology. Together, let's redefine the future of boating and embrace the power of sustainable electric propulsion. The best solution, the easiest way to cover many miles and to have a lot of charging autonomy, obviously with batteries, we are traveling at 6 knots. We have 200 minutes of autonomy before needing to recharge the batteries. We are traveling at 2,500 RPM and we have a consumption of 69-70 amperes. Having said that, what we are really interested in is how much autonomy we have, as mentioned before. 200 minutes, which means over 3 more hours of autonomy, considering that we have 3/4 of fuel done, electric fuel obviously. Let's see what we can achieve at full throttle. Remember, we're on the full electric boat. I push down the accelerator. Well, there's plenty of thrust. The range has obviously decreased, but we have transferred the knot indices. It's still going up. The boat has started to plane. 11.8, 12 knots, 12. 7.5 knots, not bad. Decreased autonomy, but if I need to move quickly, I am still able to do so. As I had mentioned approximately halfway through the video, I explained how to book and reserve for yourself for a fantastic test, but not just a test, but rather a complete day of sailing with this beautiful boat. Let's go explore it together. Simply visit the eSense website. It is written right here. I will even demonstrate it to you so there is no uncertainty about what to write or not to write. Through this website, you can view with the application and make your reservation rather than also going to our rental website, so the boat rental, and of course www.marinagardarent.com or .ti, depending on how you prefer to write it. In the video description, I will include all the information I mentioned to you, including all the links for booking and reservations to make this beautiful boat yours for a fantastic day out at sea. If you are unsure of where to go on Lake Garda with this amazing boat, don't worry, because on the application you will download to reserve the boat, you will also have the privilege of accessing the option to see a virtual skipper, an incredible guide, your ally who will show you the best spots to visit on Lake Garda and provide valuable recommendations. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, all I have to do is subscribe you to this channel, of course. From a beautiful spring day here on Lake Garda, all I have left to say is good wind and always keep an eye on the weather.